Want to watch me prep a panel? Squirt. Did you show our special concoction?
Absolutely not.
Good. That's what we like to hear.
I'm doing cutouts for this beautiful CTSV over here. Blackwing. CT5V. Blackwing. It's pretty nice.
Today I am going to be laying portions of a full wrap on a Porsche Macan GTS. And it's going to be fun.
What are you working on?
I'm overseeing everyone here at the shop, calling customers and just making sure everything goes smoothly. How's this going, Mark?
Oh, it's going.
Yeah?
Yeah, I believe this is a BMW. Removing the current wrap on it.